Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message for industrial machinery and equipments IndiaMART Enquiries. So I am a seller on IndiaMART and I keep receiving new leads and their inquiries on my IndiaMART account. So now I wish to respond to these queries quickly. So for that I have planned to automate this entire process. So now whenever I am going to receive a new inquiry on my IndiaMART account, I want to send them automated WhatsApp message using AI Sensei. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message for industrial machinery and equipments IndiaMART Enquiries. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a business selling industrial machinery and equipment through IndiaMART. And I receive a lot of inquiries from potential buyers and it's important to respond quickly to keep their interest. So now by automating WhatsApp messages for these inquiries, I can send immediate replies with the product information, pricing or even schedule a follow-up call without having to do it manually. So this helps me stay responsive, improves my chances of converting leads into sales and saves me time so I can focus on the other important tasks in my business. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my IndiaMART account with my WhatsApp message sending application that is AI Sensei. And here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send automated WhatsApp message for industrial machinery and equipments IndiaMART Enquiries. And here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as IndiaMART. So IndiaMART is an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers primarily for business and industrial products. It's like having a massive digital directory where businesses can find suppliers for everything from machinery to office supplies. People use IndiaMART because it makes sourcing products and services easy, offering a wide range of options in one place. Whether you're a business looking to buy in bulk or a seller wanting to reach more customers, IndiaMART helps you find the right match quickly and efficiently. So here in my IndiaMART trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new leads, so that whenever we are going to receive new leads in our IndiaMART account, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever we are going to receive new leads through our IndiaMART account, then automatically this entire workflow is going to be triggered. And here you can see after selecting my trigger event, I have received the webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my IndiaMART account, and here you can see the dashboard of my IndiaMART account. So from here I'm going to click on this lead manager option given in the left side bar. And from here I'm going to select my new option, and from here I'm going to select import export leads. Now here under this I'm going to select push API, and here under push API integration you can see it is asking me to select the source. So here by clicking on this drop down menu you can see all the sources available. So here I'm going to select my source as other. And then here it is asking me for a CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So here I'm going to enter my CRM platform name as Pabbly Connect. And here for the webhook listener URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL. And now here after entering both the details, I'm going to click on the save details. And now here it is asking me for a reason that why I want to transfer my IndiaMART leads to any other CRM. So here to select that particular reason, I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see some random reasons that are available. So I'm going to select a random reason, that is I feel that I can permanently save the leads from IndiaMART and view later. And now here after selecting this particular reason, I'm going to click on this generate OTP. And here you can see it is asking me for the OTP that has been sent to my phone. So I'm going to enter the OTP. So here I've successfully entered the OTP, and now I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see we have successfully set up a webhook inside our IndiaMART account. That means we have successfully connected our IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's window. And now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead and an inquiry in our IndiaMART account. So here to generate the test lead with the inquiry, let me take you to my another IndiaMART account. So this is my another IndiaMART account, and here I'm going to use this particular account to generate the test lead to send a test response to my IndiaMART account. So here you can see the name of my account, that is test, and here you can see the number and the email over here. So now I'm going to search for the company. So I'm going to search for the product that I'm going to make a test submission, that is Magnet Brain Software Technology Private Limited. So this is my product, where I'm going to select it. And then here I'm going to make a test response for this particular product, that is Pabbly Connect free demo available. So here to submit a test query, I'm going to click on this contact supplier given over here. And here you can see it is asking me to enter the message over here. That means here I need to enter the query. So I'm going to enter the query as, hi, I found your listing for industrial equipment on IndiaMART and would like to know more about them. Can you share the delivery time, warranty and any available discounts? Appreciate your help. So this is the query that I'm going to send, and now here after entering this message, I'm going to click on the submit given over here. And then here it is asking me for a GST number. So here it is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank, and then I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see we have successfully submitted a test lead, or you can say that we have successfully generated a test query in our IndiaMART account. So now let's go back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here, where we have received the status as success. And here you can see the unique query ID. Here you can see the subject which says requirement for Pabbly Connect free demo available. So here if you're running a live lead and you're receiving live queries, then this response subject will be of your live query received. And here you can see the sender state, that is Madhya Pradesh. Here you can see the sender's pin code. Here you can see the sender's name, that is test lead. Scrolling little down. Now here you can see the sender's phone number. Here you can see the sender's email, that is test@pabblytudes.com. Here you can see the country code, sender's company name. Here you can see the sender's city. And here you can see the sender's address. So now scrolling little more down. And here you can see the query that we have received, which says, hi, I found your listing for industrial equipment on IndiaMART and would like to know more about them. Can you share the delivery time, warranty and any available discounts? Appreciate your help. So here you can see that the query message which we posted is similar to the one we have received over here. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now let's move to action step by clicking on this add action step button given over here. And here in this action step, we are going to select our action application as WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei is a tool that enhances WhatsApp messaging for businesses by adding features like automated replies, bulk messaging and customer support. People use it to manage customer interactions more efficiently, send personalized messages and automate common tasks on WhatsApp. It's popular because it helps businesses stay connected with their customers on a platform they already use, making communication smoother and more effective. So here in my WhatsApp by AI Sensei action step, I'm going to select my action event as send template message, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead in my IndiaMART account, then automatically using that detail, a WhatsApp message is going to be sent to my lead using a template message. And now here to connect my WhatsApp by AI Sensei with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your AI Sensei account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for an API key. So here in the instruction it says enter the API key here from your AI Sensei account. To obtain the API key, log into a AI Sensei account, navigate to manage section, then go to API key and click on the generate API key button. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my AI Sensei account, and from here I'm going to click on this manage option given over here. And then you can see we have received the option for API key over here. So here I'm going to select it. And here you can see our API key. So here I'm going to copy it. Moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to enter the API key. And now here after entering this API key, I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the campaign name. So here in this campaign name field, we need to enter the name of our campaign that we have launched in our AI Sensei account for a template. So for that, let me take you back to my AI Sensei account. And here in my AI Sensei account, I'm going to click on this campaigns button given over here. And here in my campaigns account, you can see all the campaigns which I have launched for my template messages. So I'm going to launch a new campaign in order to use my template message over here. So for that, I'm going to click on this launch button given over here. And then from here, I'm going to select API campaign. And then here it is asking me for a campaign name. So here I'm going to give the name as IndiaMART Enquiries. And here in this template name, I'm going to search for my template. And so here you can see all the templates which I've created for my use till now. So here I'm going to select a template which is named as IndiaMART message template over here. And here you can see the template which I'm going to use, which says thank you for your inquiry. Hello. Thank you for your inquiry through IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our offerings. Our team has received your request and will get back to you shortly with more information. If you have any immediate questions or need assistance, feel free to reply to this message. We are here to help. Thank you. Best regards. So here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name. That is because I want whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my IndiaMART account, then automatically this previously existing detail should be updated with the new one. Variables makes our text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. This is my message template, and now I'm going to launch this campaign by clicking on the set live button given over here. So I'm going to go to campaign, and here you can see the campaign that I have successfully launched, and here you can see the status as live. So now I'm going to copy this campaign name given over here, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the campaign name. And now here after entering this campaign name, moving forward, and then here it is asking me for a phone number. So here in this mobile number field, I need to enter the number to whom I want to send the WhatsApp message. So here instead of entering this detail manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new leads through IndiaMART account, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map my lead's phone number. So for that I'm going to search for the phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for a user name. So I'm going to map my lead's name. So for that I'm going to search for my lead's name. So this is my lead's name. Moving forward, here this source and tags are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. So now moving forward, And then here it is asking me to enter the template parameter. So here in this template parameter field, I need to enter the value of my variable that I have used in my message template. So as I've already shown you that I have used a single variable in my template, that is in the place of name over here. So here in this template parameter field, I'm going to map my lead's name because that's the value for my variable. So this is my lead's name. Moving forward, here this attributes URL and file name is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But here, before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace that dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message. So here I've entered my own WhatsApp number, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message on my number. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see the message that we have received, which says, "Thank you for your inquiry. Hello test lead, thank you for your inquiry through IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our offerings. Our team has received your request and will get back to you shortly with more information. If you have any immediate questions or need assistance, feel free to reply to this message. We are here to help. Thank you. Best regards." So this is the message template that we drafted in AI Sensei, and here you can see the message which we have received. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as IndiaMART and an action as WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So that whenever we are going to receive new leads to our IndiaMART account, then automatically we are going to send an automated WhatsApp message to our lead so that we can connect with that lead further. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.